Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick filter within Tableau, as well as how to use a quick filter within Tableau. So right now I have one dimension and one measure here in a horizontal bar chart. And just to make this a little bit easier to read, I am going to go over here to my marks, and I want to show my mark labels just so that I can see the sum of sales per subcategory. And this way, personally, it just makes it easier for me to read, so I don't have to go look and drag my cursor down to the different axes to do that. But to show a quick filter within Tableau, it is fairly easy. Right click on one of my pills that are within my sheet. So right now we have our subcategory. Now the other one is going to be sales, so I'm going to do the same thing for sales. Right click, show filter. And as you can see, we now have over here on the right hand side the different subcategories that we can select, and we can also break it down by the sales. So it will filter it down. It won't change the baseline data set or anything like that. It'll just show different ways of, or it'll help to filter down your data when you are looking at a particular sheet. So let's say we wanted to change this to be not all subcategories, but let's say bookcases, let's say chairs, and copiers. Let's say that's the subcategories that we want to look at. We'd be able to select those from our filter over here. Sometimes these quick filters are also called show filters, is more of a newer term for that. But if we wanted to, let's go back to all subcategories. If we wanted to show anything that is above, let's say $100,000 in sales, we can drag this little cursor over. It's going to be hard to hit 100,000, but pretty close here. Or I guess we could type in this as well. But if we want to do that, there we go. Okay. And then it'll show us that number and the different subcategories that fit within the filter that we have chosen. But I hope that you found this helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at EmilyCallMBA. I am a LinkedIn learning instructor over there, so you can check me out on the LinkedIn learning platform. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.